Okay, at this group start before, I have a new group created, Bonsome fan group. So just click below that link, then you can go into this website. Okay, let's start the video. Hello guys, and today I'm going to build an easy boat for going to the end. Yeah, as you know, build a boat is normally seriously thing. Yeah, so I'm going to make an easier boat. So it's very easy, just put a block, and a block, and a block, and a block. Yeah, I'm so slow. Okay, keep going, and then I need a little thing like this, and I need to draw this size, and we stand up to here. Yeah, and snap this. Boom. Okay, an easy boat has done. Okay, now you launch your boat, and you can just triangle where it seems a little bit yeah. Wow, I really want to know how this guy made this. It's fantastic. Oh, okay. Let me see, how did he make this? Oh my god, marvelous. Oh my god. Wait, hey, I'm stuck. Okay, again. Okay. Then I'll use my boat. Same. Just a little bit. Just a little bit sauce. Yeah, here. Alright. Okay. Put this on. Boom. Okay, again. See? Now it's faster. So greater, gooder. Yeah, boy. Woo! You must go in here, or else it will just only count the marks. Boom! Oh my god. Okay. Oh, okay. Boom. Oh. Eh? But he died. Okay, finally open. Woo, okay. It's very easy, yeah, guys. Okay. Now I teach you how to build like that boat. So now I'm going to see this guy's thing. Sleigh, where are you? Fine. I just use my pay. Yeah, I will use a normal boat. Wow. Okay. And I haven't built finished, so I'm going to build back. Yeah, you see this boat is a little bit, it's a noob thing. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I will roll up to another size. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have still a lot, so I don't know where to put it. I don't know what to do. So I'm thinking about a crazy idea. Yeah, I'm thinking about a crazy idea. I think it's a little bit crazy, but I don't know. I don't care about these things. Okay. Wait. Oh, 1 bomb. Oh, 2. Wow. 3. Good. 4. Wow, so beautiful. I just don't think it's like this beautiful. And here put 1. Yeah, and same. I will put more. Yeah. Just is it crazy, guys? Comment it. Is it if it's crazy? Comment it. Yeah, I feel a little bit crazy. If you feel like and subscribe, please. I just want to get I want to send my trip to make YouTube. I just want to get a server clicker. Because my friends always bully me and he says I didn't have any YouTube and I'm noob in YouTube. So guys, please subscribe. Okay? This helped me a lot. Thank you so much. Okay. Here say like this first. Yeah. 4 more. Okay, then we'll put. Okay, 0. Okay, and the last one, the biggest one, a bit crazy, but it's normal. Okay, I will paint it now. This color, boom, 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 boom. Oh my god! A little bit more things. Yeah, I cannot paint this. Bruh. Okay, paint this thing. Get it. I cannot paint this. Okay, I cannot paint this, bro. What fun? Okay, done. Okay, I'm painting. Oh my god. Oof. Wow. This is good at making dragon. Yeah. Oh, I paint wrong. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What is this guy doing here, bro? What is it, my seat? Go away, shoo. I hate it. Hey, yo! Okay, I'm so angry about this. Oh, bruh. Okay, all people saved. Load. Okay, I'm going to fly about this. Yeah, let me test. Oh no, just only a little bit. It's not good. I'll make it again. Wait, okay, this button. Just put in here is better. Oh, okay, let me test. Oh, it's too much. So I need to put 2 buttons. Yeah. Oh, this guy saying go! It's not my team, bruh. I will not go. If you don't go away. Bruh, this guy is making so sus. Okay. He flew away to the universe, somewhere in the universe. He is somewhere in the universe. He's somewhere in the universe, universe. Okay, guys. Okay, let me test about this first. Oh, 1 only? Nope. Okay, 1 only, bruh. Okay, fine, I will use my hand. Wait, this one, maybe all? Oh yes, this is the all. Okay, I just want to stay at the back. So, I'm going to launch. Oh my god! That was so pro. Okay, I will make this. Enemy responded. Hey, little villa, here I come. Oh, he didn't get anything. Oh, bruh, wait. I just want to see him. Oh, okay. It didn't. It didn't. Oh, maybe wait. What? Oh, I hate this. It seems I need to do. Oh my god! 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 Okay, guys, it seems I must die. Okay, fine. Yeah. Well. Okay. Well, this seems today's video. Yeah, so you know this guy yellow team is so seriously, yeah. And I had teached you how to make the winner fast. And I built my sussy boat. Okay, so guys, bye!